Hi, I'm Claire Harris from Promote Mental Health, and we help people have a better understanding of mental health and wellbeing. So during the coronavirus outbreak, we're doing a number of video blogs to help people manage their mental health. And today's session is about managing your wellbeing whilst working at home. So this week, Mental Health First Aid England produced a new campaign that was launched around My Whole Self. And this is about a cultural change within the workplace, wherever you're working, to bring your whole self to work, so being who we are at work. Along with this, they released a document around how to manage your mental health and wellbeing whilst working from home, as that is a reality for a lot of people at the moment. So this session will be discussing some of the tips that they've mentioned, plus some of our own tips from Promote Mental Health. So it can be really important to get set up well at home. Waking up at the same time can give us a good sleep routine, which means we're waking up refreshed and able to concentrate during the day. It's important that we get into that routine by getting up and getting dressed and moving how we normally would. Setting up your workplace is also important in terms of making sure this is separate from where you're sleeping. So although we may be confined to particular spaces at the moment, setting up a workplace which is separate. It's also really important to get moving and to exercise. So if we can get up and out before work to have a walk or a run, that again can help us focus and motivate us to work hard during the day. If not, we can look at online sources to do exercises at home, as there's lots of things online we can follow in terms of yoga or physical exercise and aerobic exercise. Getting connected and staying connected through work is really important. So staying connected with colleagues that we would normally be seeing face to face, and this can be done through video calls, phone calls, and dial-in chats. So really important that we stay in touch with people that we would normally be working with. Getting support, so staying in touch with your manager and your organisation for any support you need with your work, but also emotionally managing our own well-being and making sure we have breaks and time out at home. We think it's really important also to have very strong boundaries between your working time and your home time. So setting a daily routine, working out when you're working and making sure that your home time is very different, so you're doing relaxing activities and other hobbies and activities during that time. It's very important as well to unplug from devices. So yes, we'll be using those during the day in our home environment, but unplugging in the evenings is vital for us to wind down, relax, and also to promote a better night's sleep. For more details on the topics that we've covered here and more content in terms of these areas, you can look at the My Whole Self campaign by Mental Health First Aid England, and they have a document called Supporting Your Mental Health Whilst Working from Home. Thank you very much for listening.